Everyone is really familiar with tar build up onto their car. So if we come and have a look at this, this is a white vehicle, but you can see like dots like these ones here. This is tar that's on the surface of this vehicle. And how do we remove it? Well, we use this product called CarPro Tar X. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean the vehicle using the Omni Garage cleaning process, and then we're going to come back with a nice clean surface ready to remove the tar from the surface of this car. Okay, so before you remove any tar from the surface of your vehicle, you want it to be nice and clean. You want it to be free of road grime. You want it to be free of any large dirt particles, so that you have a nice bare surface ready for you to come in. And it might be you want to spot treat some tar. We're going to be spot treating tar on this vehicle, but you might have a car that comes into your shop that's full of tar and you actually need to get the tar off all the panels. The other time that you're going to want to remove tar is if you're going into a full paint correction. You're going to go into polishing stages on your vehicle. So we typically remove tar in the decontamination process before we go to our polishing, because we don't want tar residue or any tar build up into our pads when we're polishing, because that's just going to induce scratches later down the track. So this car's already been paint corrected, it's already got a ceramic coating on it, but over time what happens is you end up with tar building up on the surface. And so I'm going to spot treat bits of tar on this car, and it's white, so it's really noticeable. If you had a darker color car, you probably wouldn't notice it, but for the purpose of this, we're going to use Tar X, and you sort of spray it onto the surface. We'll show you here. We'll spray it onto the surface. We're going to let it dwell for a little bit of time. And as this Tar X starts to eat away at the tar, you're going to see like runs that are going to start to form down the paint. So we can see already some sort of brown run going down the side of the paint. That's it. Basically the tar running off the surface. Sometimes I think that with a couple of larger spots, you want to let it dwell for a little bit, and then you're going to come and agitate it. So I agitate it using a microfiber cloth that's been sort of soaking in the soap bucket for a couple of minutes or so, and then you're just going to lightly agitate it, and that tar spot should come off. So that's had some time to dwell, and if we give it a slight agitation, you can see that the tar will remove really nice and easily. So that's how you spot treat small areas of tar. So you can see here there's another spot of tar. Again, if we spot treat it, spray it onto the surface, let it dwell, you can instantly see a bit of tar residue running down the paint. And if we let that dwell for a little bit, break it down, then we'll be able to remove it with a light agitation. And there it is, gone. So on the back of the car here, you can see there's a few bigger spots. There's one there and there's one there, and so you kind of want to do this in the shade. You want to not let this product dwell too long, because you don't want it to dry on the surface. And we can see that product activate. And same again, now that we've let that dwell, we can then come in and just lightly agitate it, and we can remove it from the surface. Same with that spot there, and it's gone. So Tar X has done a really fantastic job at spot treating areas of tar on this vehicle, and definitely in our detailing shop we use it for larger areas where we spray down panels and we let it dwell, and then we do come along with our pressure washer and rinse it off. But for me, I'm really happy that Tar X has done an easy job, safely removed the tar from the surface of this vehicle. So you do not want to use this product in direct sunlight. You want to use it in a well ventilated area. And then when you're done using this product and you remove the tar, you want to rinse down the surface and get rid of any residue of this product. You definitely don't want it to be left drying on the surface. Omni Garage go through a lot of Tar X in our detailing business because we know it works, and it removes the tar really safely and effectively off customers' vehicles. So I think this is a product you want in your arsenal because it really does work. That's it from Omni Garage. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more content coming out. Catch you on the next one.